In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can make an organizational chart in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead and go in the search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now here we just need to simply look at the ribbon and click on the Insert tab. And here we can find the option Smart Art. Click on that. Now here in the Choose a Smart Art graphic window, you can find your hierarchy. Click on that. And then here you have different choices as to what style would you prefer, or anything, or any preference that you, or any requirement that you want to know or choose. Okay, so just simply click on anywhere from here and click on OK. Now you have this one from here. So obviously you can change the art styles from here, and you also have the change colors. If you want to change the color, click on this drop down and you have a lot of colors to choose from here. So if you want to go with colorful or something like the primary theme colors or any of the accent colors from here, okay, you can simply choose that. You can also add shape from here, okay, like that. You have here add shape after, add shape before, add shape above, and add shape below, okay. Then you can simply edit the text from here. Say for example A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And once done, simply click on the open space. And that's it, okay? That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.